In this video, you'll be learning how to add sound effects to your PowerPoint slides. First, you need to go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to pixabay.com. Instead of images, find sound effects and type in what you're looking for in the search bar. You can have a look at the options and press play to have a listen to what they sound like. If you're happy with the sound, click download and go back to PowerPoint. Go to the Insert tab, Audio, Audio on my PC. It should be in your Downloads folder, and insert the file. I recommend moving the icon to the bottom or in a corner of your slide so it's out of the way. You can press play to check it's the correct sound. Okay, and you can edit some of that as well. So you've got a few options here. You can have the sound play automatically, or you can have it when you click on the slide to start. And that's how you add a sound effect.